Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be doing a super fast charging test with the OnePlus 8T. We are going to be using the charger that comes in the box, which is this 65-watt warp charger. And I gotta tell you guys, this device charges super fast. And I just recently did an all-day battery drain test with this device, and it performed very well. I actually made that video previous to this one. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, I'll make sure to link it down in the description below. I do got a timer right here to the right so we can keep track of time to see just how long it takes for this to charge from 1% to 100%. I'm going to leave it at 1% so the screen can stay on so we can be able to see the progress. So let me go ahead and plug this into the wall here. All right, so I got it plugged into the wall. Let's go ahead and get this test started. Let's go ahead and plug it in, boom, and start the timer. Here we go. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it has only been 10 minutes and we are already at 40% battery life. Look at that, 40% battery life in 10 minutes. They were not lying when they said warp charging. This 65-watt fast charger that comes with this device right here is no joke. Look at 41%. Look at how fast that is going up in just 10 minutes. So if you literally need a quick charge, if your phone dies down close to 0% and you literally need a quick charge, 10 minutes is going to give you almost half the battery life to get you through the rest of your day. If this phone does happen to die on you early in the day, I mean, this is crazy. I'm sorry. I'm literally mind blown right now by how fast this device is charging right here. Let me know what you guys think so far down in the comments sections below. Going on 11 minutes, 42% battery life. Let's keep this charging test going. All right, so we are coming up on another 10 minutes, which is a total of 20 minutes, and we are now just a little over 60% battery life, 62% battery life. Look at that. So it is starting to move a little bit slower. Once the battery life starts getting a little bit higher, it does start charging just a little bit slower, but still blazing fast. And if I were to turn the screen off like this, go to the lock screen, it does show that we have at less than 20 minutes remaining. Now, I don't have a SIM card in there at the moment because I don't want to risk getting any phone calls or text messages during this test right here. So I made sure to take out that SIM card so I don't risk any of that happening. But yeah, so we are now at 63% battery life with less than 20 minutes remaining. Let me go ahead and unlock the phone back up. So this is where we are. My goodness, this charging on this device is super fast, but let's keep it going. So there it is. We are at 100% battery life in just under 43 minutes, 42 minutes and 44 seconds. That is crazy fast. Honestly, me personally, I don't think I've ever used a phone that charged this fast from 0 to 100%. Well, I guess I should say 1% to 100%. But I should mention, when this phone gets down to 1%, it will die. It won't wait till it hits 0%. And I'm very surprised that it didn't die on me at the beginning of this video when it did land on 1% battery life. But very impressed with the charging speeds on this device. Now, I do got to say that it did start to get a little bit warm towards the middle. It's actually pretty cool right now. It's not hot at all, but around maybe around 50 to 60% battery life, when it got to that area, it did start to warm up a little bit. Not sure if that's bad for the battery or not, or how that's going to affect it in the long run. Honestly, I don't care. I'm getting super fast charging speeds on this device. So I can literally not have to charge this device overnight. I can literally put it on the charger in the morning as soon as I wake up, let it charge while I'm getting ready for work. And by the time I'm about to leave for work, the phone will be charged and ready to go. So definitely very impressed with the charging speeds on this device right here. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the speeds? Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you did like this video, leave a huge thumbs up on it. If you did like it and find it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.